Today, we will talk about SQL result in AGen software. In AGen software, SQL query can help the users to view or edit the data in database with the SQL scripts. The users need to create a bullet in AGen software browser version, and design their own bullet. Here is a simple example which will be used later in SQL query on device management. The users also required to download AGen software in their mobile devices. In this page, there is a setting button for you to set your SQL query. There is a SQL button for you to choose the SQL table. You can select your database and it will run a script which will select data in the database. After that, you can write your own SQL script in the form to choose which kind of data you want to be preview in the page. You can press the test button to test run the SQ_L query. You can see the SQL query result under the form. In SQL query script, the users required some basic programming skill on MS SQL to write the script. There's a help file button for the users to copy the SQL query to run total item in the SQL result. After saving the SQL result, you can see the result in the page on your devices. There's also an info button under your devices to know more information about the database. Now, let's give an example for SQL query. You can log into AGen software in your devices, enter your information in the form you created before and save the data. Remember to sync your devices to the server AGen software to receive the data in devices. As you can see, the data you send to the server will be preview until your device. You can also copy the SQL script in help file. It will test run to have the result of total item. To know more, you visit us at AGen.mobi or scan the QR code on the screen.